Hey everyone, happy holidays. It's Kendra Bishop here. Hey, I've been getting a ton of questions lately via text and email and phone calls from many of you asking what's going on in the local real estate market. So I want to take a minute and just give a quick update of what we're seeing and what you should be aware of. 2019 was really a good year. The market stayed really strong. We had some weird points in it, definitely with the fires, the PG&E shutoffs that affected many of you in Placer County. The impeachment hearings has definitely had an impact, concerns of recession, and yet interest rates have stayed low, and we've continued to have a ton of relocations into our market. November 19 numbers just came out, and inventory is at an all-time low. Sac County inventory is down 37% from last year. Placer County inventory is down almost 20% from last year, but sales are up in both counties. Pending sales are up. And so what are we seeing? We're seeing a really small inventory. If you have neighbors' homes that are sitting on the market or friends' homes that are sitting on the market, it just means that they're not priced right or they're not showing well. That's really what we're seeing as far as things that are sitting, is that they either are priced incorrectly or not showing correctly, or they're not getting enough activity online or in person. We're finding that this year especially, open houses really sold a lot of homes. And that is because we are an influx market. We're having so many folks coming from the Bay Area and beyond. I just toured a family last week from Hawaii that's moving here. We've had several from the East Coast, several from Southern California, and sometimes they just want to get out and look without getting connected to an agent first. And so open houses are huge for that. What are we predicting for next year? Most local economists are saying that 2020 is going to be strong. Obviously, we keep hearing the R word and recession. In our market here, our prices are still in recovery mode, and so there's not as much of a concern of that. Although the economists are predicting, early 2021, we may see a slowdown. Now, let me remind you, those of you that were with me back in the 2005, 6, 7 bust, that was not a recession. That was a mortgage meltdown. So you don't need to be concerned at this point that we're going to see these huge downturn in the market. And yet we need to be cognizant. And so what I'm telling folks is, call me and talk to me. Let's schedule a time to grab coffee. Let's chat via phone. Let's chat in person and talk about your individual situation. If you know you're going to need to sell the next couple years, that you're looking to retire, or you've got kids going off to college, then we should be talking. Next year's an election year. The real estate market's a little funky always in election years. And so we just want to make sure that we've got a good plan in place. I also need to say, it is a good time to invest. I've had a couple people ask me, what's the market looking like for that? The rental market is really tight. There are really good rents being captured today on single family homes and on multifamily projects. And so if that's something that you're interested in looking at as well, please call me and let's talk. So anyways, I think all in all, I'm very positive on the market. We are continuing to see multiple offers in many of the price points. I will caution you that every little geography and every location is different. We have seen some slowdown in the over 2 million price range in 2019. So, it is different per pocket. And so it's really important that you reach out and chat with me if you're looking for your specific circumstance. Otherwise, enjoy the holidays with your family and look forward to connecting next year. Bye.